Are you tired of spending hours on the treadmill or struggling to stick to your gym routine, yet still not seeing the results you want? Don't worry, you're not alone. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe before we get started. What if I told you there's a simple way to burn fat faster, boost your energy, and feel incredible without spending endless hours in the gym? Today, we're uncovering the power duo that's changing lives, the Keto Diet combined with 16/8 Intermittent Fasting. Together, they can completely transform your weight loss journey. First, let's briefly revisit what the ketogenic, or keto diet, really means. The keto diet is a way of eating that includes a lot of healthy fats, a moderate amount of protein, and very few carbohydrates, usually less than 50 grams per day. Because the body normally uses glucose, sugar from carbs, as its main source of energy, lowering carb intake means the body quickly runs out of stored glucose, which is called glycogen. When this happens, the body switches to another fuel source, fat. The liver starts breaking down stored fat into molecules called ketone bodies, such as beta-hydroxybutyrate and acetoacetate. This process is known as ketosis. In ketosis, ketones replace glucose as the main source of energy for most organs, including the brain. As the body burns more fat for energy, insulin levels drop because less glucose is entering the bloodstream. Lower insulin levels make it easier for the body to release and use stored fat. In addition, the presence of ketones in the blood tends to reduce appetite by influencing hunger-related hormones, making people feel full longer and less likely to overeat. In short, the keto diet trains the body to run on fat instead of sugar, leading to steady fat burning, lower insulin, and less hunger, all of which support healthy weight loss. Many studies from recent years show that keto diets can lead to greater short-term weight loss and improved blood sugar control compared to other diets. Now, when we combine the keto diet with a fasting schedule, specifically the 16/8 method, the results can become even more effective. In the 16/8 plan, you fast for 16 hours and eat only within an 8-hour window. For example, you might stop eating at 8 p.m. and have your first meal the next day at noon. During the eating window, you follow your keto guidelines: high fats, moderate protein, and very few carbohydrates. Why does this combination work so well? Fasting helps your body deplete its stored glycogen more quickly, pushing you into ketosis faster. You're also giving your digestive system a rest, allowing insulin levels to stabilize and fat-burning hormones to activate. Research shows this pairing not only supports fat loss, but can also improve insulin sensitivity, energy levels, and focus. A typical daily plan might look like this. At noon, your first meal could be an omelet with avocado and cheese, plus a handful of greens. Around 4 p.m., a light snack such as a few nuts or a keto-friendly salad. Dinner at 7 p.m. could be fatty fish like salmon cooked in olive oil with sautéed vegetables such as zucchini or spinach. After 8 p.m., you stick to water, black coffee, or tea until the next day. However, like any diet, this method requires caution. Since both keto and fasting reduce calorie intake, some people might feel fatigued or lose muscle if protein or hydration is too low. It's important to drink plenty of water, balance your electrolytes, and consult a healthcare professional if you have any medical conditions. To sum up, keto shifts your metabolism into ketosis, where fat becomes the primary fuel source. Intermittent fasting accelerates ketosis, helping the body adapt faster. Together, keto and intermittent fasting support better energy levels, improved focus, and overall metabolic health. This combined approach can lead to faster fat loss and better blood sugar control. It works best when practiced mindfully and intentionally. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and performance. Eating enough protein helps support muscle and metabolism. Listening to your body helps prevent burnout and imbalance. The best results come from choosing a plan that is sustainable long-term, not just one that promises quick results. But remember, the best diet isn't just about fast results. It's about sustainability. Choose a plan that fits your lifestyle and supports your health for the long run. Hit that like button and subscribe to join our community. Stay tuned for more exciting news about your health and well-being.